Hi there. If you've ever wanted to improve your photos but found editing tools too complicated, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you step by step how easy it is to enhance a picture with ChatGPT. First, find the photo you want to improve. Open ChatGPT in your browser or app and look for the image upload option. It might look like a plus sign or camera icon near the chat box. Click it, then select the photo from your computer or phone. Give it a moment to upload. Soon you'll see your image appear in the chat window. Now comes the fun part, telling ChatGPT what changes you want. In the text box below the image, type a simple instruction. For example, you could say, "Please make this photo brighter and the colors more vivid," or "Increase the resolution and make it sharper." ChatGPT understands plain language, so just describe what you want. Mention things like brightness, color, or sharpness, whatever you'd like to tweak. After you send your request, ChatGPT will work on your photo. In a few seconds, a new enhanced image will appear right in the chat. You can click on the image to view it in full size. If you like it, download it. Usually there's a download or save button you can use. If you're not completely satisfied, no problem. You can simply ask for more changes. Type another instruction like, "A bit more blue in the sky, please," or "Make it even brighter." ChatGPT will update the image again based on your feedback. Keep tweaking with as many instructions as you want until the picture looks just right. And that's it. You've learned how to upload a photo, tell ChatGPT how to enhance it, and get a final image you can save. It's a quick and easy way to improve your photos without any complicated software. Give it a try on your own pictures and see how ChatGPT can make them pop. Thanks for watching and happy editing.